Hey YouTubers, well it's April 8th, 2013 and as you can see, snow's almost gone. I remember last year, St. Patrick's Day, I already had an ATV run. It was 28 degrees Celsius. We have made it up to, I think, 10 degrees so far this year, but we also got almost double the snow we did last year. So I'm going to winterize the snowblower and thought I'd record that. It's gonna be a little loud for a second. So I just filled the gas, added seafoam, running for 5 minutes, and I have to change the oil. So it's pretty simple. I'll loosen up the dipstick, let some air in to drain faster. And you go here, get a pair of vice grips right there. And I have a wrench, 16 mil, a ratchet, 16 mil fits it. Just undo it like this. It's a really simple job. And there's the oil. Good amount of use. It's pretty black. So you just let that drain. I'll help it out a bit. Just tilt it. So yeah, you do this and then put in the new oil and then it'll have fresh oil in it when you start it next year. So yeah, this is taking a while, so I'll just wrap it up because it's pretty basic. Tighten that back on, take your dipstick out, add the oil. I think it's just under a quart, maybe it is a liter. But yeah, you top it up and then store it till next year. Catch you guys later.